Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a separate dedicated video for all of the amazing food deals going on this week at Walgreens. So last week I posted what deals you could take advantage of, especially using that 25% off coupon. And I wanted to do the same for the current week because you can use that 25% off coupon this week as well. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button. And by hitting that notification bell, anytime I post new deals or videos, you guys will be notified. I also have my Instagram linked below and my Facebook. It's Bree the Coupon Queen, so if you don't follow me there yet, make sure you head over there and follow me. Any new updates or one-off deals, any new rebates on Ibotta, anything like that, I always post on those sites, mostly on my Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and go inside Walgreens and see what great deals there are in case you have to step out and you're needing to pick up some essentials for food items for your family. Okay, so we are in the food and beverage aisle, ready to show you all of the amazing deals going on at Walgreens for the current week. So these deals are gonna go from Easter Sunday, April 12th, until the next Saturday, the 18th. And if you have this 25% off coupon, that is gonna make for some even more amazing savings. So let's go over all of the great deals that you can take advantage of. Remember, when using this coupon, you do have to spend $10 or more. And as far as the limit, I'm not really sure. I've seen some different transactions, $50, $60, and the 25% comes off of the entire bill. So just keep that in mind. The first deal you guys can do is on the soda, typically $3.99 each. This saves you $1.50 per 6-pack. They're gonna be on sale for just $5, 2 of them for $5. If you're using the 25% off coupon, that'll take off $1.25. You'll be left to pay $3.75 for 2 6-packs of soda. So that is definitely a great deal on soda. If you want the large 2 liters instead, they're on sale 3 for $3. That makes them just $1 each. Again, the 25% off coupon would take off, I believe, 75 cents, making it just $2.25 for 3 2-liter sodas, which is definitely a hot deal as well. They also have the Prego spaghetti sauce. My store is out, so I can't show it to you, but they're on sale 2 for $4. Using that coupon would make it 2 for $3 or just $1.50 each. If you still have the Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back when you buy 2, that makes it an even better deal. Final cost is, what, $2.25 for both? So definitely a great deal for some pasta sauce if you need some of that. For some snack bars, they have the Fiber One brownies, they have the Fiber One bars over here as well, and the Nature Valley bars. All of them are just $1.88 each, so that is cheaper than Walmart and CVS this week. Again, using that 25% off coupon, final cost for these is gonna be just $1.41 per box. Campbell's soups are on sale 3 for $4. The coupon would take off $1. Final cost would be 3 for $3 or $1 per can of soup. The large Heinz tomato ketchups are on sale, buy one, get one free, and they're $4.99. That 25% off coupon would take off $1.25. You would be left to pay $3.74 for both bottles. So that's a great deal if you need some more condiments. Select coffees and K-Cups are on sale for $7.99. For the Starbucks, they also have the large Maxwell House. If you use that 25% off coupon, that would take off $1.99. Final cost is gonna be just $5.99. Select cereals are on sale for $1.88. There is a $1 off 2 coupon in previous inserts. I believe it is from the $3.29 insert, but I'm not 100% sure. So If you buy 2 of them, use that $1 off coupon and the 25% off coupon, you are getting some great savings. I will have a printable breakdown list of all of these deals and the final cost using that % off coupon as well. Some more snack and cookie deals. Chips Ahoy are just $2.99. They have a ton of different varieties available. And Goldfish on sale, 2 for $4. 25% makes it 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. We also have some Milano and Pepperidge Farm cookies here, 2 for $6. If you missed picking up some of the Lay's chips last week, they are on sale, 2 for $5 this week. With that % off coupon, that would take off $1.25. Final cost would be $3.75 for 2, which is a great deal, and these are the large bags. The Arizona iced teas, again on sale, 2 for $1. These are great filler items as well if you're trying to use any register rewards. The 25% off makes them 2 for 75 cents. Some more food deals. They have Lunchables here on sale, 2 for $5. Final cost would be 2 for $3.75 with that 25% off coupon. And if you're a fan of ice cream and the Eddie's brand, they're on sale for just $3.99, already saving you $2. They have a bunch of different flavors and varieties available. Using that 25% off coupon takes off another $1. So final cost would be just $3, which is half off of the original pricing at Walgreens. They're typically $5.99 each. Miracle Whip and Real Mayo is also on sale for the 30 ounces for just $3.49. The 25% would take off 87 cents. Final cost would be $2.62 each. The Nice brand cookies, the select varieties 13 or 14.3 ounce are on sale for $1.99. The 25% would take off another 49 cents. Final cost would be just $1.50. Pringles are also on sale, 3 for $4, regular priced at $1.99 each. The 25% would take off $1. Final cost is 3 for $3 or just $1 per container. The Nice brand nuts are also on sale, 2 for $4, regular priced $2.99 each. So right there is going to save you $2 already. The 25% is going to take off another $1. So final cost now is going to be 2 for $3 or $1.49 each, which is half off of the original price point. So that is definitely a great deal. Another great deal on nuts, if you prefer the Blue Diamond brand, is on the almonds, the 16 ounces. The large ones are on sale for $5.99. That 25% will take off $1.49. Final cost is $4.49 per bag. And if you're looking for more soda deals, the 12-pack of soda, every single one is going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. So last week was a little bit of a better deal, but using that 25% off coupon will take off another $3.09. So your final cost this week would be $9.28 for all 3 12-packs, or about $3.09 per 12-pack, which again is about half off of the original price at Walgreens of $6.19 per pack. So that can be a great deal if you're looking to stock up on some sodas. The frozen 1 pound of ground beef is on sale this week for $2.99. The 25% off would take off 75 cents. Final cost is just $2.25 for a pound of beef. So those are all the amazing food deals going on at Walgreens the current week. As you can see, when using that 25% off coupon, it makes for even better deals. Don't forget to check your Ibotta Rebate App as well as scan your receipt to fetch rewards. That way you can get additional savings. If you have any questions on how to use the Ibotta Rebate App, you can click this video above. Shows you all the ins and outs of the app, how to use the rebates, and of course, how to cash in and get your money transferred back to your account. Same thing with Fetch Rewards. I have a separate video on how to use the Fetch Rewards app. So if you don't know how to use that app or you're not familiar, you can click this video above and it'll show you all of the ins and outs for the Fetch Rewards app. My referral codes for both, of course, are listed below in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, of course, just drop a comment below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.